Sweet potato casserole with marshmallows and pecan streusel is a quintessential Thanksgiving dish that perfectly balances sweet and savory flavors. This classic American side dish has been gracing holiday tables for generations, delighting both young and old with its creamy texture and indulgent toppings. The star of this dish is, of course, the sweet potato. These vibrant orange tubers are mashed to a velvety smoothness and combined with butter, brown sugar, maple syrup, and warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. The result is a rich, flavorful base that's both comforting and luxurious. But what truly sets this casserole apart are its toppings. A layer of gooey marshmallows creates a sweet, pillowy surface that becomes beautifully golden brown when baked. Complementing this is a crunchy pecan streusel, adding a delightful textural contrast and a nutty flavor that balances the sweetness. You might wonder why Americans put marshmallows on sweet potato casserole. This quirky combination actually dates back to the early 1900s. The Angelus Marshmallow Company, in an effort to boost sales, created recipes featuring their product. One of these was the marshmallow-topped sweet potato casserole, which quickly became a hit and has remained a beloved tradition ever since. To make this delectable dish, you'll need sweet potatoes, brown sugar, maple syrup, vanilla, lemon juice, heavy cream, eggs, and spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. For the toppings, gather mini marshmallows, pecans, butter, and flour. The process begins by boiling peeled and cubed sweet potatoes until tender. While they cook, prepare the streusel topping by mixing melted butter, brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. Once the potatoes are done, mash them with the remaining ingredients to create a smooth, flavorful filling. Spread this mixture in a baking dish, then top with a layer of marshmallows, followed by the streusel and pecans. A final sprinkling of marshmallows completes the dish before it goes into the oven. One of the great advantages of this casserole is that it can be prepared in advance. You can assemble the dish up to 24 hours before baking, keeping it covered in the refrigerator. This make-ahead option is a real time saver during the busy holiday season. When it's time to serve, this sweet potato casserole makes a stunning addition to any Thanksgiving spread. Its vibrant orange hue, topped with golden marshmallows and pecans, is sure to catch everyone's eye. Whether you consider it a side dish or dessert, one thing is certain. This sweet potato casserole is a beloved holiday tradition that continues to bring joy to tables across America.